So today I had my first in-person interview and I did not know what to expect. They just asked me to show up with my computer and basically it was a in-person coding challenge. You know, there's take-home coding challenges and this was just show up and be given a coding challenge and do it. Uh, so he showed me a database and a UI mockup, and I was just supposed to get working on it and to narrate my thought process. And he was just watching me the whole time, how I planned it out, how I reasoned it out, how I went about setting it up. And it was it was very nerve-wracking having him just sitting there watching me and just wondering if I look like a total amateur or something. Which is okay. I mean, that's the kind of feedback I'm looking for too. It's if I really have no idea what I'm doing and I'm a total amateur, then going to interviews is going to show me that, and that I just need to learn more before I start applying again, kind of thing. But he actually told me afterwards that everything I was doing, looking at the database, planning out my components, was spot on. So that was extremely encouraging. Yeah, and there wasn't very much time. So after all the planning and such, I only had about maybe 20 minutes to do some actual coding. But I got started. I created the React app. I set up the component structure. I imported the data, fetched the data, and it was all ready. I was on the road to create this web page. So now, in this particular situation, he did share with me, which I appreciate, that uh, his company, that I had some gaps in my knowledge and I wasn't as practiced in some areas that they needed for that position. So that is totally understandable. And the next company, it might be a different area that I'm not as practiced in that they need someone in, or a different area that, uh, because there's still so much to learn and practice. But I'm just looking for that one that there's no red flags going up, and I do have what they are looking for and are able to be with me as I learn all the other areas pretty much. So yep, that was one down. I counted as a success because I was able to sit there and code in front of someone, and on to the next one.